So actually these two things are most fundamental. The decadence, the downfall of the Muslim Ummah is based on these two things. The concept of Islam, changing from deen to mazhab. It has become a religion, not deen. And number two, the concept of our duties as Muslims has become very limited, very narrow. So there are people, very pious people, regarding those narrow things. खाल खाल इस कौम में अब तक नजर आते हैं, वो करते हैं अश्के सहर गाही से जो जालिम वुजू. But what is happening to the Ummah as a whole? Why? Because the Muslims, by and large, they have forgotten their duties as Muslims. Even those who are very pious, very muttaqi, they are making prayers, all the 5 prayers in the mosque, but they are just ignorant of their other duties.